hole by that barrel right there. You got a hole on all three sides, three sides of four of that building right there. And we'll see if he'll come out. Boys, the groundhog steak out here was a success, but I'm going to watch because I believe there's more than one under that building right there. I've shot him. He's over there behind the post on that porch over there. I'll show him to you here in a little while. I drilled him. Sort of a funky setup I've got here. Hunting beside my truck. He went straight down when that old bullet hit him, boys. That's about 46 yards there I shot him at. I don't exaggerate. That's not a very far shot, but a lot of people make that shot right there, I'd say. Well, let's go down here and look at the quarry, boys. I've waited a while and I ain't seen another one. That ain't mean there ain't one here. Let's see this old groundhog here. Michael Coley, if you're watching, this is that rent cabin, okay? The lake's down there, okay? Got a fishing place right there. Government land. Where you fish from, okay? Nice little cabin. You got your little burn thing over here. Grill. Private, okay? It's quiet up here. I could live right here, okay? You see him laying there. Little nuisance fella there. Didn't look too big when I shot him. Got that old head busted. That's a young groundhog. That ain't totally groundhog this year, I don't think.